setter injection, we can involve our choice number of bean properties in setter injection. That means it is not mandatory. It is not mandatory that all properties, it is not mandatory that all properties must participate in setter injection. Must participate in setter injection. Yes, guys. Okay, guys. Now listen. Everyone, please focus and concentrate, guys. I have Spring Bean class with 4 properties. I have Spring Bean class with 4 properties. Now listen carefully. I want to involve my choice number of properties in injection process. We want to involve our choice number of properties in injection process. Injection process. Everyone should concentrate. Okay. Now, setter injection. How many setter methods will be there, guys? 4 setter methods. You have to write only 4 setter methods. Come on, guys. 4 setter method. With maximum 4 setter methods, we can involve our choice number of properties in setter injection or not. Dependency injection or not. Our choice number of properties in dependency injection. What do you say, my dears? Right. Now let's take constructor injection now. Okay, constructor injection. I want to involve my choice number of properties in what? Injection process, but I want to do that work with constructor injection. Then how many constructors are required, guys? We need to take overloaded constructor. Please. We need to take overloaded constructors. How many constructors we have to take? 4 factorial number of constructors we have to take. We have to, no, I'm not saying with constructor injection, we cannot involve our choice number of properties. We can involve, but we have to take more and more constructors. We need to take more and overloaded constructors we have to take. Constructor with 1 parameter. Constructor with 1 parameter, 2 parameter, 3 parameter, 4 parameter. But constructor with 1 parameter, 4 numbers. Come on. Are you listening? Constructor with 2 parameters of multiple permutations and combinations. 1, 2. So 4 factorial number of constructors are required. Nothing but 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. How much it is, guys? 120. 120. I am not saying using constructor injection. We cannot involve our choice number of properties in constructor injection. But for that one, we have to go for what? Overloaded constructors. Come on. 120 overloaded constructors we need to take, guys. Overloaded constructors we need to take. But 120, acha, 4 into 2 into 2 into 1, not 120. Sorry, it is 24. Yes, 24 constructors, 24 number of overloaded constructors we need to take. Tell me, guys, for 4 properties, taking 4 setter methods is easier. 24 constructors is easier. Effect is same, guys. You just keep 4 setter methods. We can involve our choice number of 4 properties in what? Setter injection. Maybe 0, maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4. Which one our choice? Which 2 our choice? Which 3 our choice? When it comes to 4, our all completely. But how many setter methods are required maximum, guys? 4 setter methods are required. Come on. Max 4 setter methods are required. Come on, constructor injection. Tell me, maximum how many constructors are required, guys? Max how many constructors? 24 number of constructors are required. Now tell me, writing 4 setter methods is easier, writing 24 constructors is easier. Especially when you want to involve your choice number of constructors. 4 is easy. So that's why. What is the conclusion? What is the conclusion? 4 setter method is easy, right, boss? Setter injection is preferred. Setter injection is easy, right, boss? Okay. Now listen. Same situation. Spring Bean class with 4 properties. We want to involve. Okay. We want to involve all properties. All properties. We want to involve all bean properties in injection process. We want to involve all bean properties in injection process. This is the rule. Okay, guys, this time we want to involve all rule, compulsory rule, all bean properties in this one. If you want to do that work in what? Setter injection, max how many setter methods are required, guys? 4 setter methods are required. Max 4 setter methods are required. Come on, guys. Next, if you want to do this work by using constructor injection, yeah, if you want to involve our constructor injection, if you want to do same thing with the constructor injection, guys, yeah, in the copy paste, not is not removed, guys, leave it. Constructor injection, guys, tell me. Tell me here. Constructor injection, we want to involve all bean properties in the injection process. One 4-param constructor is enough or not? One 4-param constructor is sufficient. Right now, what is the condition? We want to see all bean properties involved in the injection process. Are you listening my point, guys? Come on. So now tell me here, what is recommended, boss? Constructor injection is recommended or not? Constructor injection is recommended. Constructor injection is, everyone understood this theory, guys? One 4 param constructor. I mean to say, 1 minute. You are understanding, misunderstanding that. One 4 param constructor is required. One 4 param constructor is sufficient. Constructor injection is recommended here. So what is the final conclusion, guys? Final conclusion. See, 4 factors are 24 looks very small number. Think about 10 bean properties are there. 10 factorial is in crores, boss. Think about 6 bean factorial. 6 bean properties are there. Writing 6 factorial overloaded constructor means 720 constructors you should write. Are you ready to write 720 constructor for 6 properties? Are you understanding my point? Are you ready for that? No. So that's why, what is the final conclusion? Okay. If you want to involve all bean properties, in injection process, then prefer constructor injection, because by taking one n param constructor, we can complete entire injection process. If you want to involve your choice number of properties in injection process, then prefer, come on, setter injection by taking, come on, by taking n setter methods, we can make sure that our choice bean properties can be involved in this one. Why 4 factorial formula? Not only 4 factorial. Suppose you have 3 people are there. You want to see their permutation and combination. So then factorial. 3 factorial is the formula. Niranjan, this is mathematical formula you might have studied in the core childhood. When you are writing permutation and combination of anything, you will take n factorial, means n permutation. For n numbers, how many permutation and combinations are possible? N factorial number of permutation and combinations are possible. That's a childhood formula. I hope you remembered this formula in the childhood. 1, 2, 3. What are the possible combination? 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Come on. 1, 2, 1. What is the 1, 3, 2? Like this, all permutation and combinations, guys. 6 permutation and combinations are there. What is the formula for that? 3 factorial. 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. 4 parameter constructor. Run this. Oh. So final conclusion is what? Array, for example, you have 1, 2, 3, guys. What are the possibility? 1, 2, 3. What is the possibility of arrangement? Number 1, 1, 2, 3 as it is. Number 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Next, let me write that one. 3, 2, 1. 1, 3, 2. Next, 2, 1, 3. Next, tell me, help me. 2, 3, 1. Next, 3, 1, 2. I think all permutation and combinations are over now, boss. So 6 possibilities are there. So 3 digits na, 3 factorial. 3 factorial. 3 factorial is nothing but 3 into 2 into 1. That's a formula, mathematical formula, which is 6. Which is 6, guys. Now listen, let me give the final conclusion here. What is our final conclusion, guys? Okay. If you want to involve, if all bean properties must participate in dependency injection, dependency injection, then prefer constructor injection. Okay. Otherwise, prefer setter injection. Prefer setter injection. So this is the final conclusion, boss. I'll give small example on this, don't worry. Yes. Okay. Close the editor. File new project, Java project. File new project, Java project name. IOC pros 3. IOC pros 3. Dependency injection. What injection, guys? Dependency injection. Say next. Say finish. Okay, guys. Right click, guys. New package. com.nt.beans. New package. com.nt.cfgs. New package. com.nt.test. Yes, guys. I'm taking one small, this one, guys. Person. I'm taking one small, this one person, guys. Person. Here I'm taking what? Private int PID. Some sample one, guys. String P name. Private string P address. Private float. Private float income. Private float income. Yeah, your choice. Anything you can take, that's not an issue. So 4 properties are taken. Spring Bean properties. Yes, guys. Now tell me here. Alt plus shift plus S and R. S and R, it allows to generate getter setter method, but I am selecting only setters. I'm selecting only setters. Okay, to know values are injected or not. Setters for setter injection. Setters for setter injection. Tell me. Alt plus shift plus S comma R. Now I want to know whether they are injected properly or not. I just want to display toString method, guys. Through toString method, I want to display alt plus shift plus yes and yes. Okay, generate. Here is my toString method. What is this? Alt plus shift plus yes comma yes. Okay, boss. Now come here. New. Okay. XML file. What is that? Application context.xml. Say next, say finish. Go to any previous example, guys. Copy paste this XSD import statement. Don't worry much. Copy paste this XSD import statement, guys. Yes. Now tell me here, what is that? Bean ID PER class is equal to person. Bean ID PER class is equal to person. What is that? com.nt.person. Yes, boss. Setter injection, boss. I can involve my choice number of properties in the injection. Tell me PID. Tell me now int type, guys. Int type. I should use value attribute or ref attribute. To inject values to simple property value attribute. Value, not the object. Value. That's why ref value attribute 1001. Yes. Okay. P name. Value is equal to Raja. P name value is equal to Raja. Yes, we are ready with application context.xml or not. See, am I getting any red color here? No, not. Why? It is a setter injection. In setter injection, what is the beauty, guys? We can involve our choice number of properties in setter injection. Is there any rule all properties must be involved in setter injection, guys? No. No red color. Sir, what about remaining two property? They hold default values. As usually, they hold default values. Come on. Class. Dependency injection test. What, guys? Dependency injection test. Dependency injection test. Oh, this is wrongly placed. 1 minute. Copy, paste in our project. Copy, paste in our project. Yes, now delete here. Delete here. Come to this place. Right. Come to this place. Create IOC container. Create IOC container. Yeah, today only I will change that. Don't worry. Bean factory is equal to, okay, new XML bean factory of. New XML bean factory of. See, I'm writing in a single line. File system resource src slash com slash nt slash cfz slash application context dot xml. Application context dot xml. Okay, guys, now listen. But to do this work, first of all, we should add jars, guys. First of all, we should add jars. So we forgot to add the jar files. commons-logging, that's the one jar file. Add external jars. This PC. Go to G drive. Come on. Go to G drive. Build path. Spring software is 5.3.5. Libraries. See, AOP aspects are optional. Today I will show they are optional. Beans, context support, core, expression, Yes, these are sufficient, guys. These are sufficient. Apply. Okay. Control plus shift plus O to get the package import statement, guys. Control plus shift plus O. Package import statement. Okay. src slash com slash nt slash cfg slash. If it is a file slash, if it is a class dot, class will have package will have dots, files will have slashes. I think you remembered that. Okay. Get bean class object. Spring bean class object. Tell me. Person is equal to factory dot get bean of. Instead of writing two lines, I'm writing single line. PR is the bean ID. PR is the bean ID. Okay, here I'm going for typecasting. Control plus shift plus. Sysout person. Sysout person. Earlier I have written two lines separately. Today I am writing single line with direct typecasting. Earlier I have written two lines, one for creating resource object, one for creating container. Today I am writing two lines. Array, we have to show maturity day to day, boss. Come on. I hope you are recognizing that. Yes, boss. Java application. What application, guys? Java. See, guys, I have kept values only for two properties, and only two properties are injected. Remaining two properties are having default values or not. The remaining two properties are having default values or not. No, sir, I will keep value for all the four properties. Then four value. Okay, P address, guys. Value is equal to Hyderabad. Okay, guys. Next, income, guys. Conversion, it will only take care. Actually, XML parser reads everything as string only. Converting them and applying to appropriate property will be taken care by Spring container. We are least bothered, guys. We are least bothered. Check it out. Now all the four values are injected or not. Okay. Now I commented this. Control plus shift plus O for comment, guys. What is this? For comment anywhere in control plus shift plus control plus shift plus C for commenting. For commenting, control plus shift plus C. CTRL plus control plus shift plus. Okay, to enable comment, to disable comment, same thing. See, control plus shift plus C, comment gone. Control plus shift plus C, comment on. Toggle key, boss. It's a toggle key. One is to on the key, one to enable the comment, one to disable the comment. But single line only. Okay. Suppose I want to comment this one also. Control plus shift plus C. It's very powerful short, guys. In Java, it will give Java comments. In XML, it will give XML comments. In JSP, it will give JSP comments. It's very powerful shortcut key, guys. Suppose same thing you do in Java. Control plus shift plus C. We got Java single line comment. Same control plus shift plus C. Okay, gone. Gone. Now okay. Now you are looking for multi-line. If you are looking for multi-line, okay, now listen. Control plus shift plus C. Two single lines have come. Three single lines have come. No, I want to have multi-line comment. Okay, then what should I do? C is for single line only, boss. Okay, now listen. control plus shift plus backward slash. To remove, control plus shift plus forward slash. To remove, control plus shift plus forward slash. Okay, in XML also we can use the same thing. Suppose these two lines are control plus shift plus backward slash multi control plus shift plus forward slash removed, guys. Understanding my statement, boss? Okay, somewhere I have to write that one. So write it, don't worry. Okay, okay. For your reference only, I will write. Somewhere in the code only, I will write. Oh, yeah. I think someone is helping me by writing some shortcut keys. Right. Yeah, shortcut keys. If you see, you won't get. You have to practice. You have to practice every day. So I'm just writing for you this one. Yes, control plus one shortcut is there to get all the shortcuts. Control plus shift plus L to get list of shortcuts. Okay. To get list of shortcuts, guys. Where is that? Control shift plus L. Control plus shift plus L. Expression must be. Okay, fine, boss. Right, boss. So XML bean factory. Now you observe. Which I commented only two, na? Now you observe. Yeah. See, guys. PID 0, income 0, remaining two properties. So first concentrate on this point, guys. No, there are so many shortcut keys. One by one you will get. Don't worry. Now tell me. We can involve our choice properties in the injection while working with the setter injection or not. I hope you realized that. Comment. I am now involving 0 number of properties. All are having default values. Did you notice it? Did you feel it, guys? Okay, now come for person.java. I will make it as file save as person1 I am taking. File save as person1 I am taking. Now I am removing all these setter methods. Okay, I am developing only one parameterized constructor. Only one parameterized constructor. What is that? Alt plus shift plus S and O. Okay, it is selecting all the four properties. We got 4 param constructor, guys. Sys trace. Yes, guys. 4 param constructor. Now at least people realized what do you mean by 4 param. 4 parameters are there. 4 arg, 4 param, all are one and the same, boss. Okay. So what is the shortcut key to get it? Control plus shift plus control plus shift plus control plus shift plus S comma O. Yes, boss. Now you observe. Come to application context.xml. This is the separate bean. PER1 class is equal to com.nt.beans person1. com.nt.beans person1. Are you listening, boss? Yes. Okay. Now listen carefully. Listen carefully. Constructor -arg. Constructor -arg. Name is equal to PID. Value is equal to 1001. Okay, we'll change it. 2001. Constructor hyphen arg. Name is equal to p name. Value is equal to Suresh. Value is equal to Suresh. Okay, guys. Now listen, there are 4 parameters in person 1, guys, but I have supplied only 2 param values. Have a look now. Sys out. Wantedly have a look. I know error will come. Person 1, person 1 here. PR1 is the bean ID. Again, person 1. Control plus shift plus O. Dependency injection test, guys. Yes, what happened? Exception has come. What is the exception you are getting, boss? Okay. Did you specify correct bean arguments? Did you specify correct bean references as arguments? Are you understanding my statement, boss? Are you understanding my statement? You must supply all the 4, then only it will be happy. If you don't supply all the 4, it will not allow. So name is equal to P address. Value is equal to Delhi. Constructor hyphen arg. Name is equal to income. Value is equal to some number. Dependency injection test. This time output came na. This time output came. So now can I think about commenting any one of your choice here? So now how many time constructor hyphen arg tag is there under person 1? 3 times. Do you have any 3 param constructor here? Do you have any 3 param constructor here? No, not there. So when not there, what happens, guys? You will get exception or not. Suppose I have placed only 2 times. Then what happened? It look for 2 param constructor. Do you have any 2 param constructor here? No. No. Then what you will get? Exception. Exception will come on not. Exception will come on not. Okay, now you got a clarity. Suppose I want to involve my choice number of properties in injection by using constructor injection process. Only one constructor is sufficient, or I need to have 4 factorial number of constructors. Only one constructor is sufficient. 4 factorial number of constructors are required. 4 factorial. Are you ready to write 4 factorial constructor? No. In that situation, better to go for setter injection or not? In that situation, better to go for setter injection or not? So what's the final conclusion? This one. What is the final conclusion? If all bean properties must participate in dependency injection, then prefer constructor injection. Otherwise, prefer setter injection. I hope you understood this meaning, guys. I hope you understood this meaning, boss. You thoroughly understood its meaning, boss. So other day I introduced setter injection and constructor injection. At least today you got a clarity, na? In which situation, which injection is good. In which situation, which injection is good. You got a clarity, na, boss? No confusion, na, boss? Come on. Mathematics, boss. Factorial concept is mathematics. I hope you are understanding my statement. Okay. Raja, what I have taken. Okay, guys. First go to person.java. First go to person.java. Here is my application context.xml. Next, let's go to person1.java. Here is my application context.x. Yes, please observe this now. Okay. I'll delete this code here. I'll just make sure that only two properties are this. Setter injection allows to involve our choice bean properties in the injection process. Setter injection allows us to involve our choice number of bean properties in the injection process. Right, boss. Delete these guys, move up. Yes, don't think about any comments here. Yes, tell me. In constructor injection, we must involve all the bean properties in the injection process. In constructor injection, we must involve all the bean properties in the injection process. All the bean properties means parameters are very important. Constructor params in the injection process. Clear, guys? Fine. Now, you understood the entire theory, guys? Okay. Now, I'm doing all this thing to raise one question. What is that question? You know, I think everyone crystal clear where to use setter injection, where to use constructor injection. I hope you are understanding. Shall I move further? What is the difference between setter injection and constructor injection? What is the difference between setter injection and constructor injection? Okay, this is popular question in the interview room, guys. One side setter injection. Okay, another side constructor injection. Another side constructor injection. Yes, boss. Let's have a look, guys. Yeah. Setter injection uses the setter method of target class for injection. Uses the parameterized constructor for injection. Parameterized constructor of target class for instantiation and injection. Yes, for instantiation and injection. B. In XML driven configurations, okay, we use property tag. Okay, property tag for setter injection. Okay, constructor -arg tag. Constructor -arg tag for constructor injection. Next one. Understanding my point there? Yes. Yes, guys. In XML driven configuration, this one. Tell me, guys. Bit slow. Bit slow. Bit slow in the injection process compared to constructor injection. Bit faster compared to setter injection. Okay, setter injection. Next. If bean class is enabled with only setter injection, then the IOC container creates, okay, here bean class means Spring Bean class, guys. Create Spring Bean class object using 0 param constructor. Okay, Hari S. Hari S, I think you are missing some classes, guys. Please attend classes regularly, Hari S. After listening entire Ramayana, you are asking who is Sita. Why constructor injection is faster than setter injection? Everyone respond in the chat box, guys. Everyone respond in the chat box. Why it is faster, guys? Are it during injection itself, during object creation itself, injection takes place na in constructor injection. In setter injection, what happened? First target object creation, then by calling setter method of target class, dependent class object will be injected. Yes, in constructor injection, what happens? While creating target class object itself, parameterized constructor executes. In that process, only injection will be completed. What do you say, guys? Mr. Hari. Now connected or not connected? Okay. D. Please study the documents after going home. We have to learn new things every day. I don't have any problem to revise. Okay. But from your side also some cooperation is required. Yes, guys. If any bean property is enabled with, if any bean property is enabled with constructor injection, then the IOC container creates Spring Bean class object using parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor. Super, guys. Next one, guys. Okay. Next one. First, it creates target class object. Then it creates dependent class object. Yes, already I proved this. First, it creates dependent class object. Then it creates target class object. Then it creates target class object. Ray, other day we discussed in a was. Okay. Next one. We can involve our choice number of bean properties in the setter injection process. Okay. Next, F. If we have n-param constructor, in the Spring Bean class, in the Spring representing n properties of Bean class, Spring Bean class, and then all, come on guys, then all n properties must participate in the constructor injection. Otherwise, exception will be raised. Otherwise, exception will be raised. G. Okay. To perform, to involve our choice number of Bean properties in the dependency injection. We just need n setter method, n setter methods. Okay, for 4 properties, 4 setter methods are sufficient. 4 setter methods are required. G. Okay. To involve, what is this? Our choice number of Bean properties in the dependency injection. We need n factorial overloaded constructors. Okay, for 4 properties, 4 factorial constructors are required. 4 factorial constructors are required. That means 24 number. 4 factorial constructors are required. It is good and recommended to involve, okay, our choice 0 to n properties in the dependency injection. 0 to n properties, 0 to n Bean properties in the dependency injection. Okay. H. It is good and recommended to involve all n properties of Spring Bean class in dependency injection. Array, last 3 points are targeting only one statement, guys. If all Bean properties are mandatory to involve in injection, go for constructor injection. No, such rule is not there. Then prefer setter injection. So final conclusion is, If bean property is mandatory to participate injection, prefer working with what? Constructor injection. Optional, then prefer working with setter injection. I hope this point is registered in your mind or not. Okay, last one. Listen, this is only theory, guys. Okay, no real-time use case, no real-time usage for it. Circular injection is supported. Circular injection also called cyclic. I'll explain, don't worry. Cyclic injection is supported. Okay. Surya Kumar, I think you joined bit late. First to say agree that, then I will explain one more time. Surya Kumar, everyone please look at Surya Kumar question, guys. Dharmendra Kumar, wait for some time. I will explain what is cyclic injection, what is circular injection. Surya Kumar, can you confirm? Then I can start taking. Why did you join late, guys? Don't do that. Don't do that. For one person, you want to suffer entire batch. No, don't say net problem, guys, because you have to keep net right. Surya Kumar, don't repeat it. Yes, listen. Listen, everyone. Last time I am explaining, suppose I have 4 number of bean properties. How many? 4 number of bean properties. I want to involve my choice number of bean properties in the injection. I hope you are understanding my point there or not there. Yes, then max to max 4 setter methods are required. If you have 4 setter methods, you can involve all 4 properties, 2 properties, 1 property, or 3 properties, any choice, any order, any choice, your choice 3 properties, your choice 2 properties, your choice 1 property, you can go for injection. Max to max, how many setter methods are required? 4 is required. I want to bring the same effect by using constructor injection. In constructor injection, what is the problem? If there are 4 parameter, all 4 parameter must inject. 10 parameter, all 10 params must involved in the injection. Okay, now let us assume I have 4 bean properties and I want to involve my choice number of 4 properties. My choice number of properties in the injection, that too by using constructor injection. And then I should start writing multiple overloaded constructors, right? To support constructor injection in all permutation and combinations. All permutation and combinations. All permutation and combinations. Are you understanding my point? We need to write multiple overloaded constructor. How many overloaded? Okay, if there are 4 properties, 4 factorial, because that is a mathematical formula which decides permutation and combination. Suppose 4 factorial, that means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 24 number. But are you ready to write 24 number of constructors, guys? Impossible, complex. Are 10 properties are there? 10 factorial means crores. Are you ready to write crore number of constructors? No, impossible, right? That's why what is the conclusion I have given to you people? If all bean properties are mandatory to inject in our Spring Bean class, go for constructor injection. By using single parameterized constructor, we can complete the process, right, boss? No such rule is not there. Then prefer using what? Setter injection. Such rule is not there, then prefer using setter injection. Why? Because by just keeping n setter method for 4 properties, 4 setter method, we can involve our choice number of properties in the injection process. I think Mr. Harish, Ashish, all these people are came back. Right, boss. Okay, now listen, this is very important. Circular injection or cyclic injection is supported. Circular injection or cyclic injection is not supported. What is circular injection? What is cyclic injection? Everyone please focus. Here is class A. No, in real times, there is no use. Only concept wise, the cyclic injection concept is there. Listen carefully. A class, A object. A1, A class object. B1, B class object. Unfortunately, BB, A. I want to inject, come on guys. I want to inject A to B to A and A to B. If this injection is happening, then it is called cyclic injection. Array, target should be injected to dependent, dependent should be injected to target, guys. That is called cyclic injection. So this kind of real-time need will not be there. This is only concept. Okay. So injecting, it look like a circle now, boss. Injecting target to dependent and dependent to target. Injecting target to dependent and dependent to target is called cyclic injection. Okay, both are target to each other, both are dependent to each other. From A prospect to A is target, B is dependent. From B prospect to B is target, A is dependent. This is called cyclic injection, guys. It is supported by setter injection. Why? Why? First A is created, then it will create B, assigns B to A. Assigns B to A. Come on, guys. First A is created. Okay. By seeing property tag, it will come to whom? It will come to whom? B. Oh, sorry. Is not supported. Sorry. Tell me, guys. It comes to B. Happily complete the job and completes the things and assigns A to B. But when it comes to constructor injection, problem is there. Why problem is there, I will tell. First, it will go to A. It says dependent is B. It goes to A. Sorry, it goes to B. B says dependent is A. Again, it comes to A. A says dependent is B. Again, it goes to B. B says dependent is A. It comes to A. I hope you are understanding. You think logically, guys. You think logically. IOC container, it will go to hang up mode. Application will go to hang up mode. No doubt in that. Hang up mode. IOC container says, I found some circular injection. Sorry, what is that? It is called deadlock. Deadlock situation will come, right? Once again, say this. I asked container to give A object. In the Spring Bean configuration file, it notices B is dependent. Or in constructor injection, first dependent, then target. In that process, it go to B. B configuration says A is dependent. In that process, comes to A. A says B is dependent. Again goes to B. B says I need A. Comes to A. Come on, guys. I hope you are able to visualize it. I hope you are able to visualize it. If you remember this point, in setter injection, first target, then dependent, right? First target, then dependent. So first A is created. Come on, ask for B. B object is created, assigned with A, and B is assigned to A. Come on. Here cool, because first target then dependent. Come on. First target then dependent. In case of setter injection, first target then dependent. Then what happened? When you ask container, give me A object, loads A class, create object of A, then goes to B, not there. Okay, loads B class, create object of B. Come on. B is looking for A. A is already created, assigned to B, and now A is looking for B. B is there. B is assigned to A. Done. Done means done. Come on. So when it comes to constructor injection, what is the story? What we asked container to give A object. A class is configured having B as the dependent. That to constructor injection. Constructor injection basic thumb rule is what? First dependent, then target. Okay, it goes to B. B says I need A, it comes to A. A says I need B, it comes to B. Is it going to end, boss? Is it going to end? Does it really going to end? Okay, IOC container throws exception. Throws exception. For the deadlock situation that is created like A needs B, A needs B, B needs A for completing instantiation and injection, which leads to deadlock. Which leads to deadlock situation. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. So definitely exception will come. I have experimented already. If you are interested, you can also experiment. Not an issue. I think we got clear-cut differences between setter injection and constructor injection, guys. Clear-cut differences, we got it. Clear-cut means clear-cut. Okay. Since I'll give very fast example on what? Circular injection, don't worry. Copy this, paste it. IOC pros 4, circular injection. Circular injection. Okay. Rachna Paradesi, target and dependent setter and constructors will be there in target class. Yes, guys. Now listen carefully here. Forget about this one. Yes. Class A. Yeah, no real time, only concept. In real time, we never get a situation of what? We never get a situation of circular dependency. Okay, mark my word. This we are learning only for knowledge sake. Okay, private BB. Private BB. Alt plus shift plus. Alt plus shift plus. R. S and R. Select, generate. Okay, getter is not required, setter is sufficient for me. Getter is not required. Setter is sufficient for me. Okay, I'm writing toString method. Superclass toString. No, I'm simply returning from A. Listen. This is very important. Okay, so from A, I'm just writing from A. Next, B dot EA, guys. EA. Set B. ToString, guys. I'm just writing message from B. Right, boss. Application context.xml. Forget about this entire story, boss. Bean ID A1 class is equal to com.nt.beans.ea. Beans.ea. Bean ID B1 class is equal to com.ent.beans.b. Okay. Property tag name is equal to A, ref is equal to A1. Property name is A, guys. Bean ID is A1. Come on. Property name is equal to B, guys. Ref is equal to B1. One is bean ID, one is property name. No confusion. Clear, boss? Right. Yes. Okay. Get bean class object. Right now we cannot say which is target, which is dependent. Both are same. A is equal to factory dot get bean of A1. A is equal to factory dot get bean of A1. Control plus shift plus O. Sys out A. Sys out A. We can, if we change the order also not a problem. And order in the XML file does not matter. Clear, guys? Okay. What is the name? Cyclic injection test. What injection, guys? Cyclic injection test. Cyclic injection test, guys. Click on it. Oh, what's the error? No such method found exception. A, B, B, set B. That's fine. Oh, constructor is taken. I should take setter method now, boss. Alt plus shift plus R. Yes, my dear. Cyclic injection test, guys. From A, object is created nicely or not? Yes, if you want to feel objects are created, systrace 0 param constructor. Next, systrace. Done, boss. Systrace. This. Cyclic injection test, guys. 0 param constructor, 0 set A, set B. Everything is happening. B is calling set A to assign A to B. A is calling set B to assign B to A. This is done. Okay. Now I'll take the same application performing what? Constructor injection. Yes, boss. What is the shortcut key? Whoa. Right, boss. No, system will not hang. IOC container throws exception. IOC container notice the deadlock situation and throws exception. 1 param constructor. Nice, boss. Go to the B. Go to the B. Here also comment these two things, boss. Happily add 1 parameterized constructor. Yes. Systrace. 1 param constructor. Yes. Cyclic in. Okay. Come to this place, boss. Comment this section. Order is not important. Construct-arg. Name is equal to A. Ref is equal to A1. Why ref? Because it is object. Okay. Because what I want to inject is another bean class object. That's why. Construct-arg. Name is equal to B. Name is equal to we are in the A na. Constructor here is B1. Done. Everyone getting my point, guys? Cyclic injection test. Same thing. You observe. Container only gives the error. For error creating bean name A1, requested bean is in currently creation. Is there any unresolvable circular reference? Unresolvable circular reference. Container notice that situation. Container notice that situation and happily what throws the exception. Okay, now listen. When you pass any object in SOP, automatically toString method will be called. When you pass any object in SOP, automatically toString method will be called. Right. Did you notice it, guys? Everyone understood this? Yes. With this, we completed differences between setter injection and constructor injection. Everyone got it, Moss? Okay. Everyone got this one or not? Okay. Application context.xml. You don't find these differences in the internet, guys. I'm giving them out of my experience. In Spring Boot, in microservices, whatever I launch, they will be given to you out of my experience only. Please focus. So you do go and search in the internet. Hardly they will give 2-3 differences. But we are learning multiple differences. I hope you noticed that. Okay. Circular injection is not supported. Manali Tapre, you are out of box. I have written not supported. Please see not there. Okay. Fine. IOC container supports cyclic injection using this kind of setter injection. Yes. Okay. Application context.xml, guys. Okay. IOC container throws exception. Okay. Throws exception if you attempt to do cyclic injection using constructor injection. Okay, boss. I hope you benefited with the today's class. If interviewer asks the question, two important questions I covered today. Number one, where should we use setter injection? Where should we use constructor injection? You go and ask working people also. They also takes time. They also cannot give confident answer on this question. But interviewer will try to ask this question in the interview room to check your confidence level, to check your fundamentals are strong or not. You go and ask a lot of working people who are not my students. Okay. Okay. Srinath, practicality is not there. In real time, no one uses cyclic injection. Who makes target as dependent, dependent as target, guys? Only for concept sake, we are learning. There are something which we have to learn for an interview. See, we'll try to understand JVM architectures, all these things, garbage collector, all these things. Do you think in the project we seriously implement them? Okay, no. We learn for only interview sake. We learn only for knowledge sake. Are you understanding my point? Yes. Cyclic dependency also something like that. We are learning for knowledge sake. We are learning for concept sake. We are learning for interview sake. Got it now, boss? Right. Thank you, guys. Yeah. Yesterday I got bit health issue, guys. I'm suffering with throat problem. I'm not able to swallow anything. Throat infection has come. So thank you for cooperation. No, yesterday link changed, but all of a sudden class not happened. Even from last 2 days, I'm not taking other batches also. Right. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. No. All classes will be there today. It's already been 2 days. I cannot cancel one more day. I'll try to take all the classes. Don't worry. Immediately, I'll upload the class notes. Raghavendra, this month end Hibernate new batch will be there. Okay, Naveen, today I will create Google Classroom and I will give. Okay. Hari, yes. I think another 1-2 weeks will be Spring Basics. After that, I will start Spring Boot. Okay. React.js classes also I will find out and tell. Okay. Tomorrow, every day all classes are there. Tomorrow also we have a class. Thank you. Abhishek, contact admin for your requirement. Raghavendra Patil, yes, I'll upload the document. Package Angular class. I will give idea when it will start. Srinath, yes, they are the recordings. Okay. Now listen. The people who joined lately to the batch. The people who joined lately to the batch. The people who joined lately to the batch. See guys, here we are having some videos. Please watch videos. Shaker, it takes time here. First Spring Basics, then Spring Boot, then microservices. Okay. No, don't worry. Yeah, this is one thing, and I'm giving one more link, guys. Yeah, try to watch 10 videos from list of videos.
Is grammatically correct, but it's wordy and hard to read. It undermines the writer's message in the workplace.
Tripad Reddy Spring rest will be covered.
Cutting-edge technology helps you craft
Yeah.
understandable writing that makes an impact on your reader. Much better.
Sandeep, to understand Spring MVC, Servlet JSP knowledge is required. For interview, Servlet JSP knowledge is required. Definitely required, guys. Yes, my mail ID. Listen, guys. Without having Spring Boot and Spring Boot MVC knowledge, don't plan any project batch. Okay. Kaushi, contact admin for this. Vivek, hello sir, please upload. I'll keep all the projects in the Git and I will give that Git link also. Don't worry. Yes, I'll keep all these projects in the Git and I'll share that Git link with you people. Funny Krishna, you have to download the zip file. If you extract the zip, you will get it. Yeah. Karthik KK, immediately I'll upload. Anyhow, today onwards, you'll be having Google Classroom. Mostly tomorrow onwards, I will give Google Classroom. From there, you can get it. Tomorrow class is there. Tomorrow class is there. Amit, free batch for design pattern already started. Now you don't join. Okay. Naveen, already all documents are there in FB group. Search every day with this title, the document will be uploaded. This is the title. Spring Basics. Yes, see this. This is your batch code, topic name, and date. Having like this, you will be having every day one document. You can collect those documents. Don't worry, once Google Classroom is started, everyday content will be given to Clue and all the things will be there in order. Okay, those who join today, tomorrow, just wait for Google Classroom, you will get everything. Fine. Thank you guys. Have a nice time. We'll meet tomorrow. Tomorrow we have classes.